Hello. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to create a link tree or your own social links page in Squarespace. So this is mine on what it looks like on mobile. So we're going to be teaching you how to do something like this. So how do we get this done? First things you're going to want to do is create, I'm going to move my little face over here. If it will let me. Okay. Oh. First thing you're going to want to do is go to the not linked section in Squarespace. And you're going to click and add a new page. Just add a blank page and name it whatever you want. Name it links, name it hello, name it start here, whatever you think. So we'll call this one links. And then in the empty page, add a section if you're in 7.1. If you're in 7.0, just pick a template that if you're in 7.1, just pick a blank simple page template and then go in and you'll meet us at this next step after this. So we're going to add a blank section. And if you're in 7.1, it'll look something sort of like this already. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a button. And this is the key thing. This is what people are going to click, right? So go ahead and add a button. And I choose large buttons. You'll see why in a second, but you can choose any of these sizes. You'll just have to adapt your code. And then the other thing I do, and this is more for my own sanity to see how it will look while it's on mobile, is I change the section width to small. I'm going to go ahead and delete this little text block that automatically comes with the blank section. And then I'm going to go ahead and start putting in links. So maybe I say, visit my website, and this is what will be on, in your Instagram account or whatever. So visit my website and the link to that. Oops. Or maybe, and then add another button. And maybe this one is shop, so shop here. Or maybe you want a button for people to sign up to your email newsletter, and you can add a button to a link to that. You can link to anything, even external sites. So all of my links here are to my own website, except for this one, which is to a link for a sign up through my email marketing platform. Actually, this is actually to Calendly, which I would use for my booking. So that one is also outside of my website. And this one probably goes to my podcast website. So they're all different, and that's totally fine. So creating all these buttons, so create as many as you need to wherever you want them to go, and then hit save. And then you can see that they're all different sizes, and that's sort of annoying. So actually, what I'm going to show you is in the settings here, if you go to advanced, we're going to add a little bit of code, and I'll put this code for you in the video description. And so I want you to understand a little bit how this code works. So it's selecting for the Squarespace buttons, and then you can see it's selecting for large buttons. So if you're using small buttons or medium buttons, change out the word small or medium here for large. And then it's telling it to take up 75% of the screen width. So if you want it to be a little bit smaller or bigger, you can change that percentage size. And then let's hit save. And now you can see they're all gorgeously aligned, taking up so much more of the screen, and will always be the same size no matter what I put in them. And that's how you create that. And then all you do is grab that URL slug, and that would now be calibrated concepts, always in caps lock from typing things while I design, and then links. And that's where that lives. And then I would put that URL in my link and bio section, or in the bio of my Squarespace. In the bio then you can put this link in the bio of your Instagram. Thank you so much for learning with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.